Welcome back, Linux user. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a font in a Linux. So let's first of all you have to go to the browser and download a font. To download a font, let's search for a free font and look at some websites. I usually download it from fonts from a DaFont website. So let's get on it. Here is the website in its overview, and here is the fonts available. You can choose here a font as you want. There are lots of fonts and categories of fonts available. Like for example, I like the Uniflex font. So I'm just going to click on this download folder, and it starts download a zip folder. So let me store it in a download folder. Let us go to the download folder, and here is the our zip file. So first of all you have to extract it. So to extract it, left click on it and then select extract here. Then you will get this Uniflex folder. Now you have to do that, just open a file again here and just go to the file system. In file system you have to go to the user and there share, and here you will find a font folder. Here it is. You have to double click on it and open it. Here you can see some folders, and in this folder we are going to copy this Uniflex folder in this one of this folder. So first of all, to copy the folder to this folder, we need the root privileges, because these are root files, so we need the root privileges. So to copy this file, first of all we have to go to root mode. So to go to root mode, left click on it and select open as root. This will open a file manager as a root. Now you will copy. Now you can copy this folder into this. So I'm just simply drag it to this file manager and this window, and here it is. Now I am going to put Uniflex folder into true type folder. In true type folder you can see there is lots of font available, and here it is our copied font. And that's how you can add font to your Linux. This is work in any distribution out there, so you can use this technique with other distribution also, like Red Hat, OpenSUSE, Ubuntu, Lubuntu, Debian, etc. There are lots of fonts available for Windows that are not available for Linux. To download all the Windows fonts in your Linux system, you have just give two commands to download all the Windows fonts in your Linux system. So these two commands are first this and this. This command, the first command, will install all the Windows fonts in your Linux system, and then you should have to type this command, which is update our cache font. So after that you can use your installed font on any program. So let's use this copy and paste here and enter, then give your password. It will take some time in your system. I have already installed all the fonts, so it will not be installed any new fonts in my system, so it's take a few seconds. So let's now update our font cache. So copy this command and I will paste here. I will give all the commands in description, you will check there. So let's press enter, and this will update the cache font. It will take some time, so I'm going to fast forward it. Now our cache font is updated. So let's go to the program, which is I can LibreOffice Writer, which is a free office for Linux. If you will wonder which operating system I'm using the Peppermint operating system based on Ubuntu Debian. You can check here in upper left side a preview of Peppermint OS. I can say it is the best OS I ever use ever. So I will recommend you to use Peppermint OS. It's so fast and lightweight. So let's type a character. First of all, let's find our Unisoft that we downloaded, Uniflex. So here it is, Uniflex font which we downloaded. Let's type. Let me just increase the size of the font. So here is our font. So that's how you can install a font in a Linux. Thanks for watching.